Hello YouTube, for today's video we're gonna unbox this WORX string trimmer, edger, and the blower. And as you can see in the box, it has a lot of features to offer. And you get these trimmer spool, you got two 20-volt batteries, and you have this 20-volt quick charger for the battery, and you have these tools, 20-volt turbine and GT 3.0 20-volt trimmer. I think I just wanted to have the flexibility of sharing the battery with other tools if I decided to get some more tools from WORX, and you can share those batteries with different tools down the road when you get more products. It has this 3-year warranty. I'm not gonna go through all the features, but some of the highlights you can see. It's command feed, and you can just push the button there and it just feeds the spool whenever you're out of spool. And you have this really nice handle, and you can adjust the height over here, and you can see the design, like it has this wheel, so you can use that wheel so you can edge and trim. I think this wheel just gives you that additional benefit of having that precise cut. And the tools are pretty light, so let's do the unboxing and see what it has to offer. So as you can see in the box, you got this body of the turbine here. I'm just gonna take this off first. And here you can see the wheel that mounts to the edger trimmer, and you have the quick charger here, and you only get one charger. And here you have your first 20-volt battery here, and you have this power share feature. So when you get some other products from WORX, that's the first one, and that's the second battery here. And this is the main body of the edger trimmer here. Also, you can see there's already a spool, and that's the other part of the edger trimmer. So that's all you get as part of the package.